next comes the another exercise. Here we'll be memorizing 15 words using the same technique. The first one is ant, second one is mobile, third one is elephant, fourth one is paintbrush, fifth one is poster, sixth one is tree, seventh one is Spider-Man, eighth one is rainbow, ninth one is mug, 10th one is biscuits, 11th one is lake, 12th one is dragon, 13th one is cloud, 14th one is umbrella, 15th one is shoe. Totally 15 words. Now I will tell the story. The ant is making a call using a mobile phone. Imagine in your mind the ant is making a call to making a call through mobile phone. To whom? Ant and mobile. Okay. To whom? It is making a call to elephant. The ant is making a call through mobile phone to an elephant. Do you know what the elephant is doing? It is making a poster using paintbrush. So now ant, mobile, elephant, paintbrush, and next one is it is making a poster. And where is the poster? The poster is on the tree. You can see the tree. Just imagine in your mind the poster is on the tree. Above the tree we have one Spider-Man. What it does, above the tree we have one Spider-Man. What it does is producing a rainbow. So the Spider-Man is producing a rainbow. The rainbow falls on a cup. The rainbow falls on a cup. From there you get lot of biscuits. And all the biscuits are falling on the lake. All the biscuits falling on the lake. In the lake we have a special person. Who is that? It's a dragon is there. In the lake we have a dragon. And the dragon produces the clouds. The dragon produces the clouds. On the top of the cloud you have an umbrella. On the top of the cloud you have an umbrella. Above the umbrella you have kept one shoes. Ant is making a call to using mobile phone, making a call to elephant, and elephant is using a paintbrush, and it is making a poster. The poster is fitted on a tree. Above the tree we have an Spider-Man. He is producing rainbow. The rainbow falls on a teacup, and from the teacup you get lot of biscuits. It is falling on the lake, and in the lake we have a dragon, and the dragon is producing cloud. And above the cloud we have an umbrella and we have a shoe. Yes, awesome. We can give the great applause for this beautiful film. Awesome. The only one beauty is you can recall from any point. This is the trick. You can go from backwards to forward or any point. What is after elephant? What is after Spider-Man? What is before Spider-Man? Anything you can recall at any point of time. That is the beauty of this method. So our mind cannot remember words, but it can remember pictures. That is why we are able to see Netflix 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. If you give a book, the people will sleep. So it can remember pictures and sound, not text. So you can convert these pictures and sound, you can remember very well.